This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of IRS cases. I was the IRS. I worked there for 10 years. I just wrote a book, IRS Settlements. It's available on Amazon. Just thought I'd let you know. I am an expert in this. I've been on national TV many times. If you want to have success in dealing with IRS to settle your tax debt, you have to know what they do on the back end. If you want to know what they're doing behind the scenes on offers and compromise, then you'll have success. A matter of fact, if you're working any case with IRS, you need to know what's going on behind the scenes. So that's everything, and I can tell you because I've worked thousands of cases. So when you're working a case for IRS, the first thing you want to do is you're checking compliance. Are all tax returns filed? Check. Is the person up to date on their 1040s? Check. Once you know these things, then you go ahead and you move forward with the case. Behind the scenes, you're waiting for the 433A or the F. You're waiting for the financial statement, because that financial statement will close the case that you have in front of you. And as an agent, all you want to do is close your case. That's how you gauge it. How many cases you close. They don't care how much you collect. You have to close your case correctly for IRS. So behind the scenes, I get the financial statement and I'm ready to close the case. I'm either going to close it as uncollectible, payment agreement, or offer and compromise. Those are the only three ways IRS closes cases. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. It's that simple. So when I get that financial statement, the next thing I have to do is I have to verify it. How do I verify it? Well, I get pay stubs, I get bank statements. I'll check my computer, LexisNexis, tax returns. I have tools that I have behind the scenes that I use to check to make sure your your financial statement's correct. And believe me, when you look at so many and you do this every day, you know instantly if this case is going to fly. You instantly know if they're stink. That financial statement that you give me tells me whether you're lying and how I'm going to close your case. So behind the scenes, I want that financial statement. I'm going to verify your income first. I can verify it by looking at your bank statements and your wages. Do those two add up? Your bank statement and wages, well, they better be really close. If not, I want an explanation. As far as your expenses, I just got to look at your credit card statements and your bank statements, and I'll know your expenses. So behind the scenes, all I'm doing is verifying that financial statement you gave me. Then I'm going to talk to you and say, hey, are you lying, or are there any adjustments? Then after that, I'm going to move to close your case with an offer, with a payment agreement, or with putting you in currently non-collectible. So behind the scenes, all I'm doing is getting verification with your financial statement to say I'm going to close your case or you're a liar. One of the two. It's that simple. IRS just verifies what you're giving them, but they have a lot of the resources on their computer already to know whether you're telling the truth. Now you know what goes on behind the scenes, and as soon as I got a case at IRS, I knew instantly how I was going to close the case. But the bank statements usually are the indicator on how you're going to close the case. Give me a subscription, I can close cases like that. Thank you.